All right, it's Santa Cruz demo day up in Auburn thanks to Bicycle Emporium, and I'm riding the Santa Cruz Bronson CC. And this bike, just avoiding the mosquitoes here, this bike is fantastic. I'm feeling very confident. I'm loving this bike so far. So enough with the talking, let's ride. That was a ride right there. Holy hell. This thing feels very nice, very soft, tearing down those downhills, feeling super comfortable. That's quite happy right now. Yeah, whatever combination fork and shock, tire pressure, rebound, this bike is feeling really good. I've never felt this confident on a bike that I can stick and go down some fast and loose stuff on these rocks and actually make it stick, feel confident. Oh man, this thing is very nice. If you watch my other videos, you know that I ride a Yeti SB66, so that's kind of what everything's comparing to. And right now, this bike's feeling a bit nicer than that. My SB66 has a triple up front, and this of course is a 1x. So these climbs are a good amount tougher on this bike, but it just makes you stronger. I really wonder if it's the carbon wheels that are making the difference right now and feeling so much more confident. The only way to know is go rent some and put them on my bike. Another thing about this bike, I feel like I'm sitting up above it instead of inside of it. I like the feeling of being inside of it more than being up on top. But you know what? Maybe that geometry is actually beneficial. I know it's better for climbing, but I'm dropping the post on descents. Who knows? I'm not a very technical guy. It's all about feel for me. I'm also digging the loud hub. It kind of makes a racket when you let off, stop pedaling. Just kind of a professional sound to me. That felt absolutely fantastic. Whew. Okay, I just finished 14 miles on the Santa Cruz Bronson CC and it felt fantastic. If you've seen my other videos on the channel, I recently rode the Giant Trance Advance 27.51 that has the carbon wheels, the 1x, pretty much very similar setup as this, SRAM components, and it felt good. And then I also rode the Yeti SB6 carbon, very similar setup, 1x, you know, all the same kind of stuff. But this bike just feels better than those. It feels like it's another level. And I felt so confident on the rocky stuff, the downhill stuff. It climbed great. It just really, really felt like an amazing bike. It really reminded me of the first time I went riding in Moab and I rode a Blur LTC and how great that bike was compared to my Cannondale Moto 5 that I had at the time that was super heavy, and riding that bike, you know, 5 years ago and feeling, oh my God, this is so light. It's got the dropper post. This is the first time I've felt that way about a bike, that it's taken it to the next level. And I'm really happy about this bike. I'm sad that it's just a demo day because it's such a great ride. It feels so good. Oh, I want one now. Get to your local bike shop, try it out, take it for a ride, see if they'll get you a demo. Check out the link to the setup down below in the description. That's on Competitive Cyclist. It'll pretty much have the same setup that I rode right here with all the stats and specs. And this trail out here in Auburn is fantastic. It's the Forest Hill Divide Loop Trail, and it's basically a 9 out of 10 how great the trail itself is, built for bikes, flows great, just you can go fast, be in control, and that might be another part of how great this bike felt because of the trail. So thanks again to Bicycle Emporium for the demo day. Thanks to Santa Cruz. Fantastic bike. Check it out. I'll see you guys out on the trail.